Bartlett, big shot, no! Rebound, Thompson, no! Rebound is loose. LA Corona, 6 seconds remaining. This will be for the win. If they get the layup, Aguilar!
Nung alam ko ng patapos na oras, gusto maging kalmado kanina para matansya ko yung tira. Wala na eh, hindi ko na namalayan talaga. As in, nung na-make ko talaga, sobrang saya ko. Tapos, para yun talaga sa mga teammates ko rin. I told Saul talaga na, pag nasa loob talaga siya, nag-iiba yung complexity ng game.
That was a fun game, I have to admit. I mean, I'm smiling about it now, and I can't help but smile about it because it was really something. And I would just be crushed if I was on the other side. So, I know how tough it is. I've lost games like that before, so I know what it's like. But it's certainly nice to be on this side of it. Right now, this one feels better. That one was a while ago, but that one felt good too. But this one was good because we just feel like we earned it really well. And then we had some great three-point shooting in the overtime and got kind of a lucky steal in the end. But this one we just battled and battled and battled and stayed in the game and found a way.
Gano'ng importante yung may kakampi katulad ni Eli Tenorio na nung last 5 seconds, di ba, nagkakadra ako sabay, nirelax ang buong team.
Nung crucial na lang, 1 minute, sabi na sa akin talagang, Scotty, rebound ka, crucial yung rebound ngayon. So, yun yung ginawa ko, sabi ko, sige. Yun, eksakto, napupunta sa akin yung bola nung last. Tapos, napunta, nag-gamble, tapos napunta sa kanya, tapos, nirelax niya. Tapos dun, na-open si Japet, yung tira ni Japet talagang, yung nakita ko, yung relax yung pagkatira niya. So, nung pumasok talagang di ko alam yung gagawin namin, talagang sobrang saya namin. So, kailangan namin yung game na to. Talagang iniisip ko, mananalo kami. Habang nasa loob ako ng court, talagang nagsasalita ako mag-isa, nagdadasal ako.
You guys have talked about always wanting to perform for your fans every single game. How awesome was it to be able to, celebrate with them after that buzzer beater shot?
That's a classic game for sure. It was awesome, and I'm glad the fans were able to witness such a good game, especially in the semis, especially with two, dominant teams. And what can I say? My heart's still pumping right now. I'm still really excited. For sure, I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight. So, like I said, hopefully Sunday, ganun ulit para sa mga fans.
How did you sort of at the moment po na kailangan ko muna pigilan tong kaguluhan na?
Well, kasi una-una, tinignan sa peripheral, nakita ko si Coach Tim, dito matawag ng timeout eh. So baka mangyari na naman yung nangyari last time. So yun yung first thing na nakita ko. And then I look at the clock. So nakita ko may 7 seconds pa. So pinulad ko muna. And then yun, na-organize namin. The good thing about the last shot is, yes, it's the last shot of Japet. We give credit to Japet on that. Pero I want to give credit also to my teammates. On the last possession, 5 players touches the ball. So that's the most important thing. We don't. Yun yung maganda sa team namin ngayon. I think we have 36 assists in this game. So ngayon pa lang na yun yung game na gusto namin laruin ngayon. So hopefully next game, yung game na nilaro namin ngayon, I don't think that's enough again to win and close out the series against the powerhouse San Miguel. So